Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about pronouns. Let's get started. A word used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. For example, Rani and Neetu are cousins. They study together. Himani and Chaya are good friends. Everyone loves them. We will learn about two types of pronouns, personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Now, let's learn about personal pronouns. These pronouns replace the proper nouns of a person, animal, or thing. Examples: we would love it if you joined us. You need to stop lying to her. Personal pronouns can be singular or plural. First person, I, me, we, us. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it, him, her, they, them, these, those. Simple, right? Let's practice.
Fill in the blanks with personal pronouns. My father purchased a computer for dash. Answer, me. The dog was barking at dash. Him. They teamed up with dash. Us. You borrowed a water bottle from dash. Me. My father called the two of dash back home. Us. Now let's complete the sentences with suitable pronouns. Do you play any sports? No, I don't like them. Did I give you my notebook? No, I gave the notebook to you. Are those sweets for you? No, they are not for me. Does your father love pop music? Yes, he loves it. Will you go to the museum? Yes, we will go with you. Let's practice rewriting sentences by replacing nouns with pronouns. The old man tried a coat. The old man liked the coat. The old man tried a coat. He liked it. Ralph bought a dog. Ralph looked after the dog. Ralph bought a dog. He looked after it. Books are written by authors. Books are sold by the booksellers. Books are written by authors. They are sold by the booksellers. The man missed his family. The man had not seen the family for months. The man missed his family. He had not seen them for months. The policeman kept a watch on the thieves. The policeman captured the thieves. The policeman kept a watch on the thieves. He captured them. My parents and I invited my cousins. My parents and I greeted my cousins well. My parents and I invited my cousins. We greeted them well. Now let's learn about possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to express ownership or possession of something. Let us look at some examples. The dog is mine. The cat is yours. Possessive pronouns can be singular or plural. First person, mine, ours. Second person, yours, yours. Third person, his, her, its, theirs. We never use an apostrophe s with possessive pronouns. Do not confuse the short form of it is, its, with the possessive pronoun its. For example, it is my book, it's my book, is not the same as the lion lives in a den, its den is small. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive pronoun. I cannot see Himani, but I know the voice is dash. Hers. I do not like my shoes. I like dash. Yours. Don't tell anyone, but the drawing is not a dash. I took help from my father. Mine. My dog is very smart. He knows where dash food is. His. I am confused. Is this your book or dash? Mine. Great work, kids! Today we learned about pronouns, personal and possessive. See you in the next class. Bye!